Mills here, all by myself. It is technically the last day of the semester. My exams are all done. Feels like everybody's gone home except for me, but I'm still here. Today, we're going to be doing a little bit of a different video. I'm going to be winterizing some of my steel equipment. We have my FS90 trimmer, my MS180 saw, my two VR600 backpack blowers, and my 130 combo unit, which, for those who don't know, is like a split shaft. You can put a bunch of different attachments on. But that's my 130. We're going to be winterizing these today. They're going to go away from storage for the winter. Not going to be used anymore. I'll teach you guys how to winterize some of these machines today. Hey guys, what's up? So today I think we're going to start with the MS180 chainsaw. So if you guys have two-cycle equipment, most of these steps will pretty much work with all of them. But I have steel stuff, so I'm just going to caution any other like Echo or Husqvarna users to always check your owner's manual before you purchase your equipment. Same with steel guys. Alright, so we're going to open the gas cap here. Alright. And I already have my spare fuel container lined up. Got myself a funnel right here. And we're just going to go ahead and we're going to drain the existing fuel. Existing fuel out of the gas canister. Not very much in there, but you know, still good to drain it out. Just shake it a little bit because stuff isn't hard to reach places. Alright, now we've gotten the fuel out. Didn't want to idle, so let's try to make it idle. What happened is we cold started it, and it started, and then we got it up to warm start, ran really high, really hot, really fast, and it died. So we moved it back to the on speed, started it, and it idled for a little bit, and then it died. I'm going to pull it a few more times, make sure it doesn't want to start, but then I think we'll be good. I've just opened up the chainsaw here and cleaning around it. Important to keep one hand on the bar while you're cleaning. Just take a rag just like this. Just go in around. I already took the bar off. All that stuff off, so I already cleaned out of there. But, you know, dust around the sides like that. Then you take the cover. You're gonna want to clean the cover. You can see I've got most of it already. You're just gonna go in and get the little nooks and crannies. I don't know why I got a small screwdriver out. Just really get the nooks like that. Small screwdriver's great. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the case back on, like so. Line up the 3 points, screw, tighten tension on the chain, and then go back. You're good. Hey guys, what's going on? Alright, so we've drained all the fuel out into our fuel canister, let it run, there's no fuel left in the engine. I just cleaned it, for the most part it's still kind of dirty. I took this whole cover off, cleaned it, took the bar off, took a look at the chain, cleaned all this stuff in here. Now we're going to do some really important maintenance here. So on the steel chainsaws, make sure that your choke lever here is all the way back down the cold start. You're going to turn this knob, then you're going to remove this case here. Alright, so then you have your air filter right here. Look at that. That's pretty dirty. That needs to be cleaned. So we're going to clean that, get the little saw chips out of this cavity. this is your spark plug cover. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your spark plug wrench like that's been provided to you when you bought the machine, and you're going to take the spark plug off the machine. Alright, then you want to look over the spark plug, and you want to see if there's any kind of, obvious signs when you're looking around and doing maintenance. Oh, does it look like it needs to be repaired or damaged? Or, I'm sorry, is it damaged, needs to be repaired? You can see there's a little bit of oil on my fingers. That's good. That's good to know. That's still oil. There's no visible cracks or damages. I'm going to save it for now. I'm not going to replace it. But come springtime, I normally do new spark plugs and all my stuff anyway. So then, to put it back in, you're going to take it back in and hand tighten it like this till it's hand tight. Then you're going to take your spark plug wrench, turn it back the way you came till that's tight. The spark plug cover back over again. Alright guys, I went ahead and put the cover back on, clean the air filter, that's back on there. So now, we are going to do one last thing. For this, you're going to want to get a different funnel. Probably want something about this size. And the last thing you're going to do, ideally I would have gone out and bought some steel moto mix, but I have this as well, True Fuel. It's pre-mixed, 50 to 1. You're going to want to put a little bit of this in your fuel tank for the winter time. You guys do not want a full tank, just a little bit. This fuel is ethanol free. So if you were to store some fuel in your equipment over the winter that had ethanol in it, you wouldn't be able to start it in the spring. That's why it's important to drain all it out, run it out of the system, and then